Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 27th, 2024. And we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening, yes. Alright, first one. The 4 star Sudoku. This will be number 9166. 9166. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26. This one has 26. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzles, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars by the publisher, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, let's get started. Alright, 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column the only place level 4 should be there. Let me see. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 3 in this big square. Shoot it down. Then 7. Need a 9 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 9 here. Come on. Need a 6 here. Need a 1 here. This one is not easy. Need a 6. I need a 3. 3 should be there. In the first row we need a 3. We have 3 in the first column, so no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row. The only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. Well. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So now we have 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1, 6, 9, 3. Okay. We have a 6 already in this column, so this can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, alright. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. 7, 5. We need a 5 here. Come on, 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 in these two boxes, 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 6 and 3, 6 and 3. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the first row for numbers 1 and 2. 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square for number 1. Okay. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. Okay, one of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. 7 could be here, could be there. Well. 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. 2. Let me put the 2 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these two boxes. The 2 could be here, could be there. 8. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Here also 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5 here. 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 here. 7 in this column, 7 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So the last column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. How about the 2? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. The 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. 7 and then 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left now in the third column for number 7. Okay. 7, need a 7 here. Then, let me see. 2, need a 5, need a 9. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 7, 9, 8. 9, 8. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 2 here, 2. Need a 2 there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 could be here, could be there. 8. Yeah, we have a 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2, 5, 3. Do the 3 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 9, 9, 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the, 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, only 2 places left for the 9, cube here, cube there. Yeah. 4, I need a 4 here. 4, 4. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 in this box. We have 4 in this column, no 4 in that box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. 5 and 8. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8 is missing. How about these 3 missing numbers? 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4 is missing, and oh wait, 5 and a 7. Well, 1 and a 4. Come on, come on, come on. And a 7 here. 3, 6. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so on the row below, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. Come on, come on, come on. 295, 295. 4, 4. Yeah, I'm really thinking. Come on, come on, come on. 8, 8. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 now in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 9 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. These 3 missing numbers, 8, 7, I believe the 5 is missing. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay, so here we have an 8 and a 7, so this should be also 8 and a 7. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Yeah. Need a 2 here. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left with a 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left with a 3 goes together with a 9 as a pair. 3 in a 9, 3 in 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the set column, the only place left with 5 should be there, and I've eliminated there the 2, so the 2 goes there. I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 1 and 8. Let me mark those. 5 in this, mate. 5 in, oh, yeah, 8 over 5. We already have a 5 here, so can it be 5 anymore? This box will be an 8. So 2 numbers left for numbers 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. And then 8 or 7, we have a 7 now, so this box will be an 8. 8 and 1, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1, we have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, we have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes in with the 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 1. Oh, no. 1, 1. Here could be also 1. Well. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be here or there. Let me finish this. 4 is missing, 1 is missing, and 5 is... No, we have a 1 here. 2 is missing, 2 and a 5. 2, 5, 4. And look, we have 2 and a 5 in this column, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this. Oh, no. 5 and a 7 are left here. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing. 7 and 8, we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 7 goes there. And final 2 numbers 2 and 5, we have 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2-star puzzle. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.